The owner is Bruno Lernen. Bruno Lernen has been doing Destination Rally, has been doing vintage car rallies for the last 10 years. And this rally is the first time they're doing a rally in India. And there are vintage cars from UK and several countries in Europe, including 2 motorcycles, which are BMWs, 1974. There are 2 pre-wars which you haven't seen yet. They'll come now. Pre-war Bentleys. So all these cars are owned by the drivers themselves. It's their own personal cars. They import these cars. We are shipping the cars into India. They all came into Calcutta. From Calcutta, they're doing a 25-day trip, which covers Northeast India, supported by the Ministry of Tourism. That is why you'll see the banner of Incredible India and Azadi Ka Mahotsav banner on the cars. And then we will go through Bangladesh, and we finished Bhutan, and now we'll go through Bangladesh. It'll finish from Bangladesh, come back to Calcutta, and then fly to, cars will be flown back to Europe, shipped back to Europe.
Oh, well, tell about the car.
The car is, the brand is La Honda. The age is 1934. And it is a 4.5 liter engine, 6-cylinder. And, but it's running quite well.
Owner of this car? You are owner?
Yeah, I'm owner for this car, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So before Second World War?
Yes, before Second War. Yeah. So it's now about 82 years old.
82 years old.
Yeah.
Any memory from this car?
No, I bought it 3 years ago. But this is the first long rally what we drive with the car.
And we're very happy to be in Assam, so we really enjoy it. People are very enthusiastic, and they wave and they want selfies and everything. So yeah, we're really enjoying it. We're husband and wife. That's why. Yeah, he's my husband. Yeah.
Your name?
My name is Nicola. The roads are a little bit tricky sometimes, and it's very busy on the roads. But the car is driving perfectly. So yeah, we're very well. We really enjoyed it.
Basically tourism. We've been in India before, but never been this part of the country. So I very much look forward to spend 2 days actually at Kaziranga National Park. How many cars? 18, I think. Yeah, we are number 18. We are the last one. Yeah.
17 cars and 2 motorbikes.
2 motorbikes. Yeah, you see a couple in
How old are these cars?
Oh, from 1950 to, I think mine is the younger one, is 1975.
Share it. We're having a great time here in India. We just arrived back from Bhutan. And as you see, we have a long route to go. We're going through Bangladesh. It's a tour. It's the owners of this car want to drive them wherever they can, all over the world. And you'll see